If you live in the Tusmore area of Adelaide and are looking for a new clothesline or washing line or hills hoist unit for your home, Lifestyle Clotheslines can help. We cover the complete Tusmore area and offer a supply-only service for the delivery of those big washing line and clothesline boxes and hills hoist units directly to your front door, or supply and installation if need the assistance of a local Adelaide clothesline installer to come in and help you with the correct setup and installation of a new clothesline in your home. Our removal service is also available throughout the Tusmore area for any old or damaged clotheslines that need removing from your home, as well as a restringing service for any older units you may have there that just need new cord or galvanised wire installed.
Hi, we needed to reposition our rotary clothesline because there was this big bush in the way and my sheets used to get hooked in it, but we needed to buy a new ground socket and we got it from Lifestyle Clotheslines, and it was prompt delivery, economical, and we had our clothesline repositioned within a few days. So thank you very much for good quality service.
For any further information, tips or advice on finding the ideal clothesline for your Tusmore home, please feel free to visit online today at lifestyleclotheslines.com.au. Or if you need to speak to a clothesline specialist about your specific needs or situation in the Tusmore area of Adelaide, you can call at any time on 1300 798 779.
Hi, I bought this Hills clothesline from Lifestyle Clothesline. It's the Superfold Mono model and it was delivered really quickly, which I was really happy with, and it's really easy to install and easy to use. So I'm really enjoying that I can now hang my clothes outside instead of inside.